Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I'm going to show you some free online courses that will help you learn AI, artificial intelligence, large language models, machine learning, and other topics related to the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. Now, before diving in, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel at AI Insider Tips, I would truly appreciate that. I spend hours making these videos, doing all this research and all these different topics, and your support of my channel really means a lot to me. Now, diving back into this first resource, yes, this is harvard.edu. And a big disclaimer here is that not all of these courses are free on Harvard. So there's 13 results for artificial intelligence courses. And guys, I will leave a link to this in the video description below, along with every other resource that I mentioned. So if I scroll down, you'll see here up top, if you're into coding, JavaScript, Python, TinyML, there are tons of free courses out there. So this one's 7 weeks long, 5 weeks long, 5 weeks long, and you'll see it's free here. So if you want to learn more about how to use AI with Python, this TinyML, and guys, I personally don't know anything about computer science, but they are available for free. Now, there are other courses here that do cost money. So if I scroll down, this Harvard Business Analytics program, that costs 51 grand, the price of tuition. If I scroll down, there's some others that cost about 10 grand. This one costs 7 grand. But there are some free options here. So this data science machine learning, this one is free to do. And this is a great program. I haven't actually done this myself, but I've been reading all sorts of reviews online. And if you're in this niche of computer science and wanting to learn how you can use machine learning, AI, and Python, I would highly recommend looking into this. I mean, Harvard obviously is known for putting out some great content. And they're pretty prestigious. So I would look into this if you haven't already. So guys, the second option I want to show you is this ai.google/build. And again, I'll leave a link to this in the description below as well. But once you're on this page, you can click this thing here that says Learn AI. And then underneath, there's all sorts of different things that you can do with courses. There's machine learning crash course. There's a Hello World of Machine Learning, Build with Google AI, a new series for developers. And they have all sorts of other things here on the Google website. So you'll see if I click the tag here for course, there's 43 options for courses. And I do believe all of these are free to use. So let's Startup School Gen AI. If I click that, I believe all you would need is a Google account. So you just need to sign in to your Google account. It does have a 6-week time frame. So January 16th to Thursday, February 22nd, 2024. So some of these do have time frames, and it shows you all the different things you can learn. Over 100 large language models, CTOs, product managers, learning how to leverage generative AI on Vertex AI across a number of areas. So text, image, speech. Guys, honestly, I should look into something like this to get my knowledge more up to date here. But if I scroll down, I'm not seeing anything for price. Don't quote me on this, as this is 100% free, but if I click register today, click continue with Google and sign in to just my Google account here. I'm doing this in real time with you guys just to show you all of these options. So if I click continue when I'm signing into my free Google account with AI Insider Tips, it looks like you would just need to fill out general information. So yeah, save your seat. So I don't think this costs money, guys, as this is a great free option here of Google to learn generative AI on a 6-week program. I'm definitely going to consider doing this myself. The next option I want to show you guys is Microsoft.github.io. And this page in particular is this artificial intelligence for beginners. So if I scroll down, you'll see all sorts of things here going on. So there's a 12-lesson curriculum on generative AI provided by Microsoft, where you can learn all of these different things: prompting, prompt engineering, text and image generation, search apps. And then here's the actual curriculum or the course itself. So there's an introduction to AI. Here's the intro here. There's different labs. And I believe this is 100% free to just get going as well. You can meet the team here and scroll down for all these different options. You can do certain things like, let's say I want to just do AI for beginners, and I don't really want to mess around with all of these other options here. This is just another option I wanted to show you guys where you can just start learning AI if you're curious and just want to increase your knowledge about this space. So Microsoft.github.io/AI for beginners. I will leave a link to this in the description too. And guys, the last one I want to show you is that if you have a free LinkedIn account, LinkedIn Learning has come a long way and has tons of courses about artificial intelligence. So I'm not going to click this here, but you'll see on the right, here's the contents of the course. It talks about the basics of AI, the rise of machine learning, talks about algorithms, talks about, artificial neural networks, improving accuracy, where to go from here. So this course in particular is very popular. It's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and generative AI is big as well. So I'll leave a link to both of these in the description below. But this one just talks about what is generative AI, how to use these main models, text to image, text to video, natural language models, the future of AI, ethics and responsibility. So here it says DALL-E. So this would tell you, how to use the basics of DALL-E or DALL-E 101. And then the ethics are pretty big as well. Like, how ethically is it to use generative AI? Is it legal? Those are questions that I get all the time. But regardless, guys, LinkedIn Learning offers some excellent artificial intelligence courses for free. All you need is a LinkedIn account. But that's it, guys. And for last thing I want to show you is, let's say you go to Google Bard. Since Google's great for recency, you can pull data from Google search results. Let's say you want to find some other options for free AI courses. Simply ask AI. So come to Google Bard. It's powered by Gemini now, and it says, what are free courses to learn the basics of AI and LLMs? Can you also provide links? So I just went ahead and asked Google Bard, what are some other options for free AI courses? And it provided this: deeplearning.ai, ActiveLoop, Google Cloud. Vanderbilt apparently has free AI courses. Coursera has some free options. And then here's some links to the resources below. So ActiveLoop, CloudScape, Coursera. So guys, again, if you're looking for more resources, instead of going to Google, you can just go to Google Bard now, or ChatGPT integrated with Bing, Bing Chat, Claude. Just come to these AI chatbots and ask it what are some free resources to learn AI. But that's it, guys. Again, just a video showing you some free options on artificial intelligence courses so you can improve your knowledge about the overwhelming space of AI. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Truly appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any other resources that you use to learn AI yourselves, please let me know in the comments below, as I'm always looking to learn new things about AI and how I can provide more value for my subscribers. I hope you all have a great day.